Hey everybody, I hope you all know that at Noobs Law School we are conducting free classes till 12th of this month. So, as a part of this, I'm taking a special class tomorrow on local self governments. Actually, this was scheduled yesterday along with non constitutional bodies, but due to paucity of time, I have to take a special class, a separate class on local self governments. In this particular class, we'll be discussing local self governments, both urban and rural, and this particular class will be taken by me. My name is Trinath Reddy, and this particular class will be held on 2nd of July 2021 at 2 p.m. on Unacademy app. If you are a new user, you can unlock this particular class by using my code Trinath10. Just go through the link which will be dropped in the first comment and you'll be redirected to this particular page. Just click on notify me so that you'll get a notification when I start the class tomorrow at 2 p.m. These are the features of Unacademy Clat. You can access both live and recorded classes anytime, anywhere, and you have the opportunity to learn from best educators and NLU alumni, and also access to national level mock test and sectional test, unlimited quizzes. You can also launch a quiz, and we have some weekly events like Know Your Exam, Topper Strategies, NLU experiences by faculty members. And Throwback CLAT is a very important batch of previous year questions and practice questions for CLAT 2021. Batch is starting on 30th of June and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English. Our educators are Divya Kumar Garg, Samir Khan, Anuj Agarwal, Kriti Singh and Srishti Ghosh. Vijay Bava, a one-year program to crack CLAT 2022 batch is starting on 30th of June, a one-year batch completely in Hindi and it is an evening batch. And our educators are Jigyasa Mahendrita, Lakshya Kumar, Anuj Agarwal, Kriti Singh and Yash Sharma. Just Beginners is a beginners batch for CLAT 2023. Batch is starting on 30th of June 2021. It is a two-year batch and it is an evening batch and the language of this particular course is Hindi and English. And our educators are for Quant, Neetu Kamal, for Logic, Sham Saraf, for Legal, Nidhi Dhruv, English, Kushal Singh, General Awareness and Strategy, Harminder Singh. Rankers batch, which is a 30-day crash course for ALET 2021, starts on 2nd of July. 30-day batch. Language of this particular course is Hindi and English. For Quant, we have Anshuman Nayak. For Logic, Sham Saraf. For Legal, Abhinav Bharadwaj. For English, Kushal Singh. And for General Awareness, we have Nitin Srivatsava. And National Mock Test Series for CLAT 2021 is starting on 2nd of July. It is a 30-day batch and it is an evening batch in both Hindi and English. And our educators are Kriti Singh, Raghavendra Pratap Singh and Ayushi Rajput for these particular subjects. And on popular demand, we have extended our subscription offers. Subscription offers for CLAT offers are valid till 30th of June 2021. If you purchase 3 months subscription today, you will get 1 month for free. And if you purchase 12, you will get 2 months free. And if you purchase 24 months, you will get 3 months free. Price hike is coming soon. Unacademy is going to hike the prices soon. So CLAT 2022 and 2023 aspirants make the most of the ongoing courses. Subscribe to Unacademy CLAT before the price hike. And test of the week, champion mock test for CLAT 2021, India's largest scholarship test. First ranker will get 75% scholarship and second to fifth ranker will get 50% scholarship on 6 months and greater subscription. This particular test will be held every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Sectional test every day at 6 p.m. 30 minutes, 30 marks, 30 questions. On Monday, we have English. On Tuesday, Quant. On Wednesday, Logic. On Thursday, Legal Aptitude. On Friday, Current Affairs and GK. And if you want to take any of the Academies Plus subscription, you can use my code Trinath10 for additional 10% discount. And every week, we have CLAT Topper interview on Unacademy CLAT YouTube channel. Stay tuned for that. And subscribe to the YouTube channel of Unacademy CLAT. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Comment on our videos and do let us know what you feel. Do show us some love by liking and sharing our videos. That's all for now. Bye bye. See you all again tomorrow at 2 p.m. on the Unacademy app for the class on local self-governance. Bye bye.